Welcome to EHackerArmy. In today's video, we're diving into the fundamentals of cybersecurity. If you're new to this field, understanding these basics is crucial. Let's get started. At the core of cybersecurity are three key principles known as the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Let's break these down one by one. First up is confidentiality. This principle ensures that sensitive information is accessed only by authorized individuals. Think of it like locking the doors to your house. If your personal data, like passwords, credit card information, or health records, falls into the wrong hands, it can lead to identity theft or financial loss. To maintain confidentiality, we often use encryption and access controls. For example, when you shop online, your credit card information is encrypted to protect it from prying eyes. Another important aspect is implementing strong passwords and multi-factor authentication to further secure accounts. Next, we have integrity. This principle ensures that data is accurate and unaltered. Imagine you're working on a document and someone changes the content without your knowledge. That could lead to misunderstandings or even serious mistakes. To safeguard integrity, we use checksums and hashing techniques which verify that data hasn't been tampered with. For instance, when you download software, the checksum helps confirm that the file you received is exactly what the creator intended. Regular audits and version control systems can also help maintain data integrity in collaborative environments. Finally, let's talk about availability. This principle ensures that information and resources are accessible to authorized users when needed. It's like having your favorite website available at any time. If a website goes down or becomes inaccessible, it can impact businesses and users. To maintain availability, organizations implement redundancy measures such as backups and load balancing. For instance, if one server fails, another can take its place to keep the services running smoothly. Also, regular maintenance and updates help prevent downtime from vulnerabilities. Now let's explore some additional foundational concepts in cybersecurity. Risk management. Understanding that every system has vulnerabilities and that managing those risks is essential. This involves identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks to make informed decisions. Firewalls. These act as barriers between trusted and untrusted networks, helping to filter out malicious traffic. Antivirus software. This software helps detect and eliminate malware, providing an essential layer of protection against cyber threats. User awareness. The most significant security vulnerabilities often come from human error. Training users to recognize phishing scams and safe browsing practices is crucial. Incident response. Having a plan in place for responding to security breaches is vital. This includes identifying the breach, containing it, and recovering from any damage done. Now that we've covered the CIA Triad and additional fundamentals, it's important to understand that these principles are interconnected. For example, if you prioritize confidentiality but neglect availability, users might find it difficult to access necessary data. Balancing all these aspects is key to effective cybersecurity. If you found this introduction to cybersecurity fundamentals helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to EHackerArmy for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding these basics is the first step to becoming a part of the cybersecurity world. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.